Aloha, this is Donya again, and today we talk about the free play with the C minor scale in more music therapeutical aspects. For those who do not know me, I'm Donya, your ukelista, who proves you some nice, sweet, and tasty ukulele tutorials. So if you haven't seen my other tutorial where I already talked about the C major scale and how to use it in your free play without being a professional musician to have the knowledge about everything, but you have the knowledge about yourself and your insights, your belongings, your feelings, your emotion, and what everything is inside you. Okay, so last week I explained the C major that's more festive, more being in clarity or to find the clearness. And today we talk about our inner shadows. We watch our dark side of life through the C minor scale. Minor is always said as mellow and sad, but my personal taste that it is warm and embracing, and most people love the minor scale. Why all the handpans for 90% is in D minor, especially D minor is my fav scale for music therapy to heal your soul and everything. So it's for me more heartwarming and healing. So C is the root of the musical alphabet, and in the Indian perspective, after Nada Brahma, which means the world is sound, it's not C, it's the note which means Sa, and it's C sharp. And I prefer to ground myself, my root chakra, with the C sharp minor scale. So if I want to go into self-expression and figure out my innermost feelings or get rid of pain, and I have tons of pain, I promise you, I do in the lower keys, in the lower area, the scales and the playing, and dive deep into the scale. But you can also just play the key of C minor as a chord, or in a higher section it's here. And check out what turns out excuse me, inside you. So maybe my throat got stuck because something inside me is popping up. So oh my god, something was touching me. So C is the emotional introspection. So check out the scale and play it. So the box shape system, the first here is on the 5th fret. And then 2 frets up. Like I did before, but with a other fingering style. If you want to have more clarity in the box shape, I did the tutorial with the 5-4 with Patrick with the box shape system and other tutorials, which is also in my baritone playlist about the minor scale formula and the major scale formula. that you can check out the whole thing, because here our focus lies in the free play and the emotion we want to show up here for the free play. So anyway, I repeat, the higher section is here from the 5th fret. And now you can mix those two box shapes to express yourself. Is it the higher or the lower layer, to check which key or which sounds touch your body, your soul, or your pain, to express yourself and do music. Here I felt, there's something wrong with my belly, so maybe I should stay in that key or area to heal it as soon as it sounds nice for me. Or I have to go in the lower layer again and play there to express my inside to outside. So I love it, because this kind of making music and study through sound is a resonation between you, your instrument, and the sound, what vibration does to yourself. And so you can develop your own healing music, and finally you will create a song. And you don't have to be familiar about what is the bridge, the verse, and the chorus, because it will grow through you, because your body tells you, if you are able and open to listen to yourself, to show the inside to outside, you're gonna be a great match to your free play. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Next week we step one step in the alphabet higher. We do the D major scale, and then we go ahead unless we have done all scales. So if you have any questions, or you want to have more detail and the graphics, how to play, and the instruction, be my Patreon or be patient for my upcoming book about the free play. Love you. See you for the next tutorial. Doña.